What's up, everybody? So, as you can see, Bitcoin is climbing back to its all time high. What does that mean? Well, it means that once Bitcoin goes up, the rest follows. As you can see, Ethereum up, Binance Coin up, Cardano up, Tether up, XRP up, Solana up, Polkadot up. So, I know my last videos has been about NFTs. So it seems like where the market is going, they're taking out their liquidity from NFT and moving it into cryptocurrency. Now, if you are into NFT, then it's a good time to buy into your NFT projects. And if you are want to ride the wave, it's also a good opportunity to ride the wave. Now, some speculation says that Bitcoin is going to create a new time high. And some people are also speculating that Ethereum could reach $10,000. But what I want you to do is, if you are making profits, take profits as we keep riding the wave. Does that make sense? So, because you want to take profits, and who knows? It's always a cycle. It's going to go up, it's going to go down, it's going to go up, it's going to go down. And as you can tell, take profits as you climb and it rises so that you will have some play money. Now, if I were you, this is not a financial advice, I would invest it into smaller cap coins. Alt season is going to be alt season. And when you do that, your gains is going to be significantly more. What I suggest is you get into a certain field, right? So let's say a certain niche in the curve. So let's put DeFi, Uniswap, Terra. So these are all Avalanche. A lot of my friends are getting into Avalanche and Chainlink. So figure out in terms of which category you want to get into. It could be gaming, it could be DeFi, it could be smart contracts. And from there, invest your profits. That's one option. Another option is that you buy NFTs. And as NFTs are low right now, and it's going to increase once OpenSea has their platform available, the waiting list is a lot right now, and because of the news. So once people get more exposure to NFTs, the NFT market is going to boom. So decide into where you want to move. I gave you the options, what the best options are. If you're looking for a long-term project, I suggest Solana. Solana is going to be a good investment long-term. And whatever the things that they're doing, the projects, the people involved, it has a potential to go even more than this. Let's see what the high is right now. 214. Okay, that's not bad. It's gonna break all-time high for sure. Once the Bitcoin goes on a run, everything else will follow, and for sure Solana will follow also. That's pretty much it. Just wanted to update you guys on what's going on. 61,000. We're back at 61,471, and I don't think it's gonna go down from here. Let's see. Today is, I'm recording this on October 15th, and most likely there's going to be a bull run, and that bull run, there's going to be people making good amount of money, but as we go up, there's going to be a point where it's going to go down. So let's see, 3 months. Let's do the all time year to date. 62,000, 64. See, it's a cycle. You see the cycle? It goes up, down, up, down, and then Elon Musk says, "Oop, I'm gonna be accepting Bitcoin." And then it goes to roughly around here, and then continues. China news, bans, boat goes down, and we're back up. So by the looks of this, we're still going to be at the increasing, and we're going to be on a bull run for till the end of the year. I don't really like to speculate. I don't want to show you all the technical analysis because that's not what I do. I'll leave that to the experts, and I'll just focus on NFTs. And since this is an NFT channel and all you came for NFT exclusive content, then the market for OpenSea right now, the blue chip, there's going to be a good time to get into the blue chip. The blue chip projects. And if you're looking to hold for long term, this is the best in terms of the price point because it's very low. And some projects are going to skyrocket because of what the roadmaps are, what they're releasing, and it's going to make a difference in building up in terms of making creating a stronger community. So that's pretty much it. I will leave that for today, and make sure you smash the subscribe button. Come on, do it for the gang, do it for the team. Show some love. All right, smash that like, smash that subscribe, and peace.